Hey, what's up guys? I'm just coming to you today with a little unboxing of the Holosun 507K I got for my P365. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and a quick install. This is the first time I've done it, so bear with me. Hopefully everything runs smooth. But let's get started. Make sure the weapon's clear. 365 is clear. Let's open this up. Now I actually already installed the battery in it, so it's not technically an unboxing. But it comes with a little instruction manual, 2 sets of screws, little cloth to clean the lens with, and of course, the actual red dot and a tool to make it easy to install. So let me go ahead and set this over here to the side. And first thing you're gonna do is take down the 365xl, take the slide off. And technically you don't have to remove the barrel and the recoil spring, but I'm gonna do it anyway. You gotta loosen the back screws here to take off the sight plate and the red dot plate of the 365. Now, you know, with the 365xl and most of the SIG X series, you're actually gonna lose your sight. But the good thing is you actually have a sight built in to the Holosun, so you're really not losing anything at all. All right, let's take this off. Let's set these to the side so I don't lose them. Take the plate, the sight. You are gonna take the Holosun 507K, and essentially, super easy install. You're just gonna pop that on there. Comes with 2 sets of screws. You're gonna go ahead, at least with the 365, you're gonna take the skinnier screws. I'm not really sure what size they are. And it actually comes with the tool to put them on. Now I already pre-installed the battery because I did another unboxing video on it, and honestly, the lighting was horrible. I was blocking most of the stuff, so I'm just redoing it. But the battery is on the side. I'll show you here in a minute after I get it screwed on. So this way you don't have to take your red dot off. You don't have to re-zero it every time you change the battery. I'm not really sure how long the battery life is. I'm sure someone can look it up or put it in the comments. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just tighten this real quick. I believe when I looked at the manual, it said 15 pounds of pressure. I do not have a screwdriver that tells me how many pounds, so I'm just gonna tighten it up. It already comes with Loctite on it, so I'll make sure I check it after a couple times at the range and a couple hundred rounds just to make sure it's not coming loose. Okay, so I have the red dot on. That right there is where you take the battery out. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. Basically, it's like super easy. Just loosen that. Maybe not that easy. I didn't loosen it all the way. Okay. Let's pull on here, and it actually comes with the battery. Comes with a little tray right there. Gonna pop that back in. This has Loctite on it as well. And I mean, you saw how quick that was to install. It literally took me like 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. I haven't kept track, but I'm gonna go ahead, tighten this, and I'll put it back on the 365xl. All right. Pop my recoil spring in. I almost went with the Romeo Zero, then I ended up with the Holosun 507C for one of my Glocks. And I really love the dot in the circle reticle. You know, I like the red dot reticle, I like the circle reticle, but the dot in the circle, for me personally, it's easier to pick up. It may not be as pinpoint accurate with that, but at least you can pick it up a lot quicker. I'm gonna see if you can see on here. I'm gonna go ahead and hold both of these down. And that should turn it on. Hang on. All right, so I just held the top one on. I held it for maybe like 10 seconds. Let me get this out of the way. All right, I'm gonna try to get this in the camera so you can see it. The default is the dot in the circle. It's a 32 MOA circle and a 2 MOA dot. All you do is hold this down. You might miss this while I push it. I just gotta make sure, for 3 seconds. And now you have just the red dot. I'm not sure how well that's showing up on camera. Hold it down. Another 3 seconds. And you have just the circle. Me personally, like I said, I like it with the dot in the circle. And there you go. Of course, you can adjust your brightness and stuff. I personally like mine bright. If I gotta change a battery, I'll change the battery. There you go. As far as specs, you can look up all the specs online. This was just something I wanted to do real quick. Again, on the left side, you have the brightness controls. And again, all the controls like that you're gonna hold down and stuff to change the reticles. This side, you have the battery. You know, you have your adjustments and stuff for up, down, left, right. And that's it, man. That was super easy. I got it from the Armories of Central Florida. They were the first people to have it, so it's kind of nice. I got it before a lot of other people. So I'm gonna make a follow-up video probably within the next week or two. I'm gonna go to the range, put some rounds down range, see how it functions. One of the videos I saw actually said one of the sides right here hangs over a little more. I personally can't see that, but honestly, I'm not measuring it. But I mean, it looks beautiful to me and it looks solid. So I don't plan on dropping it or anything, but I'll let you know how it goes when I head out to the range. Take care, guys. Have a good day.